Hey guys, I'm changing out my edger blade, and some people might not know how to do this, so I'm here to just show you what I'm doing, and maybe you can take with it what you want. So yep, I'm going to show you right now. I got my edger here. There's this little hole that you probably can't see it with the camera, but there's a hole that lines up that you're supposed to stick like a screwdriver. The screwdriver will work, and it stops the blade from rotating, because if you put this on it, it's just going to spin, and you really can't. It won't loosen. So I'm going to try to do it now. I got that off now. So much easier with a drill. I've done it with a wrench before, and or a socket wrench, and it's not a little bit harder. So I'm gonna put this on there like that, and screwdriver fell out. It's like an oddly placed hole, but whatever. Sit in there. That there. Where did the thing go? There it is. Put that back on. Put this. Remember, with this kind of stuff, it goes to the right. Like, to loosen it, instead of lefty loosey, righty tighty, it's righty loosey, lefty tighty. So you got to remember that if it doesn't come off. Put the bolt on backwards. Here we go. So got that. Let's change it. Alright, ready to go. That didn't take long at all. It would have taken less time, but I was doing this video. So if you need any other helpful tips on how to do certain things with like your lawn equipment, I will be posting more videos. Take care now.